खाना बनाया रात को, सब्जी बच गई या कुछ बच गया तो सुबह मम्मी क्या करती है, उसको फ्राई करके बढ़िया सा सब मिला करके फ्राइड राइस या वैसा वैसा बना दिया. सिंटर प्लांट्स इज लाइक दैट. ठीक है, वट एवर रेसिड्यूज वी हैव इन अवर प्लांट्स and which we cannot directly use in our process. So with the center plants, we use it, fuse it, make an agglomerate, and why we heat to wash the or remove the impurities like that. That's why we heat it and make a fuse. Fuse for the binding together. Okay, so that's why it becomes then sinter types, crystal type structures, and then we use in blast furnace. And by using these things, you can increase the productivity of blast furnace, and you can use the waste material in your plant to use one. Okay, got the idea? So coke making Chetan sir already explained, so I am not going this. So next one is the blast furnace. So anyone has an idea about the blast furnace? Yes, please.
So iron ore and coke are used as raw materials, and there are different temperatures in the blast furnace. So these two raw materials are fed from the top of the section, and the temperature will slowly increase as we go down. So the reaction happens between Fe2O3 and coke. So oxygen will get removed, and Fe and carbon percentage unconverted coke will get liquefied.
Very good, nice. So अच्छा अभी ये सब पढ़ लिया, उन्होंने पैलेट बना दिया, उन्होंने कोक बना दिया, हम आयरन बना देंगे, स्टील बना देंगे. हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why we are doing all these things? और अलग हर एक चीज के लिए अलग अलग प्रोसेस we are using. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि कोई एक ही प्रोसेस हो. Why we are doing all these things? आयरन तो हमको मिलता है ना, आयरन ओर रॉ मटेरियल, तो उसी को क्यों नहीं डायरेक्ट यूज कर लेते हैं? नॉन आई एम आस्किंग टू नॉन मेटलर्जिकल पर्सन. हाँ, यस. इम्प्योरिटीज क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द इम्प्योरिटीज? बोलो बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो, तो कोई टेस्ट नहीं ले रहा हूँ. नहीं पता है इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
The particles or minerals other than the iron.
Very good. So normally we will get the iron ore in the form of hematite or magnetite, which is Fe2O3 or Fe3O4. So this O, that is the oxide, is impurity for us. We need the pure iron. For getting the pure iron, first we need to remove the oxygen. Okay, and in the smaller things it has the sulfur, silicon and all these things. So we are doing all this process to get the pure iron just because of this. तो एक प्योर आयरन के लिए हमको इतना सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. तो आई होप कि आप लोग कुछ ऐसा नया इन्वेंशन करोगे कि एक ही प्रोसेस आ जाएगा एंड इट विल बी रिवोल्यूशन इन द स्टील इंडस्ट्री. So this is the normal thing, and I am not going too deep into it. So this is the blast furnace, like he said. ऊपर से हम इनपुट देते हैं coke and burden. Burden contains pellet, iron ore, flux, all these things. Okay. यहाँ से you will get क्या होगा? You will get liquid iron, that is known as the hot metal, and the slag. Okay, so we need our main product is the hot metal. And one more thing, why it is called the blast furnace? इसका नाम हमने blast furnace क्यों दिया? कुछ और भी दे सकते थे.
Because of increasing temperature.
Okay. Because of we are input the hot blast, that means the hot air by the tuyeres. This is known as the tuyeres. एक स्टोव होता है, वहां से हम लोग हॉट एयर ब्लास्ट फर्नेस में देते हैं. दैट इज द हॉट एयर react with the coke. That oxygen available present in the air react with coke and it makes a reaction CO and CO2. That is work as the reducing agent. That CO react with the Fe2O3, remove oxygen. Okay. So यहाँ पे हम सब कुछ क्या कर रहे हैं? Hot blast we are providing for reduction. That is known as the blast furnace. Is that clear? So like he said that there are the different zones. So in the blast furnace, we know as the different zones. The topmost portion is known as the throat. That is the stack, belly, bose, hearth, and these are the tiers.